Good morning, Bring a Trailer. This beautiful M3 was parked here overnight. I have my finger on the exhaust manifold and it's cold to the touch. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead and start it. Starts right up every time. Incredibly smooth and silent. And I'm gonna get you to hear the exhaust note. It's I would say it's relatively smooth and quiet. Go ahead, rev it. Stop. It is cold out here, so you're getting some condensation, but that gives you an idea how smooth the engine is and the exhaust note of the exhaust system. Hope that was helpful. Enjoy bidding.